Hello everyone, this is PG Creator back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing another top 5 video. This time it's going to be on the top 5 worst kits for Hypixel Skywars Duels. Why the worst Skywars kits, you may ask? Well, I think it's really subjective what the best Skywars kit is because everyone has a different playstyle and it really depends on who you're playing, which kit is the best.
My romancer.
Oh, and before I get into the video, I just want to let you know that we are still under 48 subscribers, and we are currently trying to beat PG Creator in subscribers, and we really aren't gaining subscribers, so it would be great if you could click that subscribe button, just until we're at 48 subscribers though. And now, without further much ado about nothing, let's get into the video. The rookie kit is pretty bad. For one, it replaces the leather armor the rookie kit promises you with iron armor, which is the default for Skywars Duels. The one stake it gives you is also useless because you're just going to have to take out one person in a duel, and that could be obtained without eating once. I mean, the glass allows you to easily bridge to the mid, but that is severely outclassed by the frog kit. Everything this kit promises is just outclassed by other kits, so this is why it's number 5 on this list. The Energix Kit gives you one thing, a potion of strength that lasts for a mere 5 seconds. And while it might be helpful for 5 seconds when you're fighting someone, how about this? Just use the Champion Kit. You get a free Sharpness 2 diamond sword, and in addition you can make it a Sharpness 3 sword if you take the time to combine the books together with your sword. At least with Rookie you could bridge to mid. With Energix, it's just completely outclassed. The Engineer Kit is good for absolutely nothing. It's probably impossible for anyone to build something before your opponent comes over to your island and murders you. Seriously, these people will show no mercy for your trap building antics. I even tried to build a machine to kill myself, but it didn't even work. This kit is absolutely useless, but the next two kits are even worse, and you'll see why. Why hello there, you're just on time for my Skywars game. Let's see what the armor kit gives me. Absolutely nothing. The normal armor kit will give you absolutely nothing. Why? Because it's supposed to give you gold armor, but since it's Skywars Duels, the gold armor gets completely overridden by the iron armor. I mean, I have not much else to say except, don't pick this kit unless you're insane. But what could possibly be worse than getting nothing? The Zookeeper Kit is really good. It allows you to get tons of different mobs to assist you in battle, and sometimes they could even turn things around for you, like a lot. This kit will be really good in duels, right? Especially when there's only one opponent. Well, actually no, and here's why. Yep, it literally doesn't work. It doesn't work if you right-click it, it doesn't work if you throw it, it doesn't work if someone else tries to use it. It's completely worthless. What a letdown. The immense disappointment of this kit is what makes it the worst. That was my top 5 worst Skywars Duels kits. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe since we're still under 48 subscribers, and also make sure to dislike the video. And at 48 subscribers, I'm probably going to do some kind of special. I don't know what that is yet, but just be on the lookout for that. And yeah, that's it. This video took way too long to make. This is why I don't do top 10 videos.